Welcome to the installation video of Fishbone Off-Road's tube doors for the 1997 through 2006 Jeep TJ Wrangler. Step 1. First, remove the existing doors from the vehicle. The OEM hinges require a 13mm wrench. Take care to not scratch the paint and store them on a soft and secure surface. Step 2. Insert the tube doors into the Jeep's body hinges. Using a 13mm wrench or socket, secure the doors in place using the supplied nylock nuts. Step 3. Using a 4mm Allen wrench, secure the door switch tab onto the inside of the door, ensuring the tab face points outwards and that it doesn't damage the door switch. Step 4. Hook the door catch strap over the inner hook just inside the vehicle and connect it to the tube door. Step 5. Using a 4mm Allen wrench, adjust the latch mechanism until the door closes smoothly. Finally, repeat all procedures for the opposite side of the vehicle. Once all the hardware has been secured, and it's time to head out and enjoy your new Fishbone Off-Road tube doors.